by side, in God we stand. We are God's heart. We are God's hands. Though many, we are one in God's risen Son. Side by side, in God we stand.
Morning everyone, welcome to your Making Jesus Real assembly. Now when I used to teach RE many years ago, students who didn't want to learn about RE, they would mutter under their breaths and sometimes a bit louder than that, "I don't want to do this, Jesus wasn't real anyway." And my response would always be the same. You can discuss with me the relevance of Jesus, or if he was important, or if all the things that it's described he did actually happen. We can discuss those, but we can't doubt that Jesus was real. He was a real person. He walked our earth for about 34 years in the first century. And so when we talk about making Jesus real, there's no discussion about whether he was real or not. What we're really talking about is how hard it is to live in the way that he wants us to live, because he encourages us to ask some really hard questions about our response to things like community and our response to things like anger and jealousy and all those different things. And he challenges us to be the best person we can be. And he challenges us most of all to look after those around us who might be less fortunate. That's his biggest message, and that's what our church tries to do. So I want to congratulate those students who've received awards, either Joey Awards, which I know are a part of this, and also the Making Jesus Real Awards, because sometimes, not really sometimes, all the time, it's hard to live as Jesus wanted us to do. So congratulations, and thank you again for all your hard work this term.
Gambadaru. 1 year to our Making Jesus Real Awards today. As we do this, let us remember the importance of the country upon where we stand. Let us sense the land beneath our feet and acknowledge who it belongs to, the Gibel and Jarawa people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and future. Let us all remember the past, the people and the history of this country in the work we do here at Mary MacKillop Catholic College, and work together to make a better future for all Australians. We are all in one land, one spirit, and one faith, united in God's love.
Making Jesus real is about how we live and work in our daily lives, especially here at the college, to be more like Jesus. During the term, we have been acknowledging students who are a Westie. Being a Westie is about being welcoming, encouraging, saying sorry, saying thank you, being inclusive, and enthusiastic. But it is also about some other aspects, and these are the values of showing care and compassion, respect, honesty, trustworthiness, understanding, tolerance, and inclusion. This may be exhibited by the following actions: to do their best, treat others fairly, be responsible for their actions, stand up for the rights of others, follow principles of moral and ethical conduct. Today, we acknowledge students who are all these things in their daily life at our college. Your certificate will be presented to you by your PC teacher in class. We are going to start with Tennyson House.
Hello, we're your Tennyson House leaders, Nathan Haddo,
Lucas Ward, and Max Dalton.
and we would like to congratulate our Tennyson students who received MJR awards this term. They are
Tanner Nelson from Prep Bilbies. Miles Kent from 1A.
Hannah Priest from 2G,
Daniel Birches from Tennyson 1. Hannah Rosenthal from Tennyson 2.
and Gracie Collins from T3.
Hi, I'm Nazareth.
Hi, I'm Ellen.
Hi, I'm Annabelle. Congratulations to all the McCormack House recipients of the MJR Awards.
In 1J, Lucy Urquhart.
2C, Cooper Kennedy.
4G, Benjamin Kent.
5W, Ben Coulter.
6S, Bella Scrivens.
M1, Archer Turner.
M2, Jarwin Violet.
And M3, Alicia McInnes.
Good morning, everyone. For those of you that don't know, I'm Raf,
I'm Tristan.
I'm Chelsea.
and today we'll be congratulating the Cunningham House members that have made Jesus real.
From Prep K, we've got Hadley Saunders. From Prep P, we've got Mitchell Warby. And from 1E, we've got Eliana Campbell.
From 3M, we've got Charlotte Porter. From 3T, we've got Nicholas Adams. And from 4B, Indiana Rose Bonham.
From C1, we have Brianna Langley. From C2, Ava Smithard. From C3, Gemma Tancred.
Hello, I am Georgia.
And I'm Jamie.
Congratulations on the following students on making Jesus real in Penola House.
From 2B, Michael Otto.
From 2S, Kaylin Griffiths.
From 3K, Young Sanders.
From 4K, Ethan Otto.
From 5B, Rihanna Wallace.
From 5M, Toby Lindemeyer.
From 6F, Georgia Bubb.
From 6M, Bowen Adamski.
From P1, Mitch Garrels.
From P2, Tom Oldham.
And from P3, Liam Zaman.
Good morning, students. It's my pleasure this morning to announce the names of the students who have received a minimum of 9 Joey points this term for the demonstration of their positive learning behaviours. Yesterday, these students received their Joey badge from Mr. Gabbett, and it's my privilege today to announce the names of these students. In prep, our students who received a Joey badge are Willow Barnes, Lainey Barnett, and Declan Stokes. In Year 1, our students were Blaze Frater, Ava Frizzell, Miles Kent, Jeremy Morris, Talia Simmons, Lily Watt, Eliana Campbell, Lillian Fritz, Max Gosney, Erin Shadwell, Harper Sorensen, Archie Wells, Claire Wachner, Jessica Anderson, Imogen McLeod, Oliver O'Dwyer, Lucy Urquhart, Alicia Abraham, Harry Kennan. In Year 2, our students who received a Joey badge were Callum Platt, Amy Watt, Levi Ellingson, Holly Garrels, Henna Priest, Lincoln Shoemunich, Eliza Ware, Flynn Albion, Emily Lip, Dom Siokos, Alex Lopez, Evie McAllister, Katie Smith, Georgia Wilson, Callan Griffiths, Mia Dwyer, Isla Radley, Anna Randall, Alira Statham, Annabelle Winson, and Geordie Evans. The students in Year 3 to receive a Joey badge this term are Sophie Lee Condon, Thomas Dankworts, Ed Ehrlich, and Harry Williams. Our Year 4 recipients, Nasha Dempsky, Jessica George, Connor Phillips, Peyton Evans, Emily Thompson, Zoe Ward, Lexi Ware, Pia Zanette, and Elkia Dempsky. And our Year 5 recipients for a Joey badge this term is Will Ehrlich, Lachlan Wick, Austin Melrose, and Seth Michael Brett. Congratulations to all of those students. Boys and girls, we continue with our learning until next Thursday. So we continue with our positive learning behaviours. So at the end of next week, there is an opportunity to still receive a certificate, a ribbon at 7 points, and if anyone does receive the 9 Joey points by the end of term, you will also receive a Joey badge. Congratulations on your positive learning for term 2.
So to end our MJR Awards today, I've asked 3 tabletop to share their prayer with us.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Blessed Mary, fill us full family. We pray that everyone will live and live in peace. We pray that everyone will spread happiness. We pray that everyone will show love for one another and love for our God. We pray that everyone will follow the way of Mary MacKillop and celebrate God in all things. Amen. Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen.